Hello group members. We are going to make the Star Wars scrolling text. Let's run it and see what we will have after this tutorial. Okay, let's delete this and create our own. Let's get our timeline filled up. Let's grab our music. We are choosing Cinematic and Stellar Collision. Now let's grab our background. We are heading to Pixabay to get this free background. Now let's add some text. 4 paragraphs should be sufficient. You can add more or less, depends on your needs. Let's set our text scale to 67. And let's change out text to work sans with a medium weight. Now let's stretch it out to match our background length. Now let's give a listen to the music and find that sweet spot. There it is. Now let's clip the music to match our scene's length. And let's add a 1-second fade in and out too. Now let's grab our image. Here, you can import, if you have not already done. I have already imported mine. So let's add it to the timeline and adjust its length to match our scene. We need to adjust the size so it will fit in our mask. Mine can go a little larger to fit our mask's limitations. Okay, now that we have our image and text together, let's line them up so the image is above the text, to your desired distance. Oops, we need to set the width of our text. We must use the right side to scale, as the left and bottom change the text spacing and line height. We need the text to stay within the width of our image for our parameters. Okay, now let's group our image and text together. Let's grab a square shape for our mask. Now let's go to Properties and set the 3D rotation X to -59. Note here, this slows down performance, making this a candidate for the push-pull effect. Now let's adjust our mask size to fit our canvas. We want the top and bottom of the image to touch, and the bottom corners to reach the ends of the canvas. Let's drop our mask's opacity down so we can see. Choose the group and let's give it a position animation. Press the P key to open the animation window, or just click the animation text. Here is where you can find the hotkeys. Okay, now that we have our animation bar, let's set our beginning and end destinations. Note here, our mask's top point, we need to be past it, but not too far. Okay, now we mask the shape with our group. Oops, we must group our group, or the masking will remove the animation. So let's do that first. Okay, let's give it a look. Oops, forgot to bring the mask's opacity back up. Let's fix that. Looks good. Let's group it all up and trim the end. We will trim just as the text goes off screen. Then a final viewing. And that's a wrap. With a clean timeline too. Now all we need is creativity. Thus, to know where and when to use this technique. Creators create. Now go create something that brings joy to your heart. Peace be with you.